0 to 100 in milliseconds. That is the new reality of combat. In 2026, the rules of human conflict fundamentally changed forever. When algorithms make targeting decisions at machine speed, human reaction time becomes completely obsolete. We are not just looking at a geopolitical conflict, we are witnessing the terrifying efficiency of algorithmic warfare. Welcome to the new era of war. To achieve this operational speed, human command itself had to be bypassed. The traditional kill chain finding, tracking, and engaging a target historically required days of human deliberation. In 2026, algorithms collapsed that cycle into seconds. By removing the human bottleneck, a single automated system coordinated over 1,000 operations in just 24 hours. It is pure mathematical efficiency, executing at a pace humans cannot match. At the center of this network sat an all-seeing engine. The Palantir Maven smart system, running on a classified version of Anthropic's Claude, acted as the brain. This system effortlessly digested terabytes of multimodal chaos, satellite imagery, drone footage, and signals intelligence. It did not just summarize data, it generated continuous, prioritized target lists, mapped precise coordinates, and completed preliminary legal reviews in milliseconds before human operators even saw the screen. This intelligence was fed directly into automated targeting systems. Programs like Habzora mapped infrastructure, while a system called Lavender reduced individuals to a mathematical risk score from 1 to 100. By autonomously tracking location history, social connections, and hacked camera feeds in real time, the algorithm turned targeting into an assembly line. Where the 2003 Iraq War required 2,000 analysts for similar operations, this AI-driven network was overseen by just 20 personnel. AI wasn't just used for offense. It played a critical, millisecond-by-millisecond role in defense against one of the largest missile and drone barrages in history. As more than 2,500 incoming projectiles filled the sky, defensive AI systems used sensor fusion to integrate data from ground radars, airborne sensors, and naval platforms. In fractions of a second, the algorithms discriminated between missile types, predicted impact points, and assigned the optimal interceptor, maximizing success rates while conserving multi-million-dollar munitions. The conflict also saw the combat debut of autonomous drone swarms. The U.S. deployed low-cost, one-way attack drones operating in swarms with onboard autonomy. These systems divided targets and communicated in-flight to saturate enemy radar sites. This highlights a stark economic asymmetry in modern warfare. While an AI-enhanced drone might cost around $35,000, a single defensive interceptor missile can run up to $4 million. AI is driving this cost disparity, fundamentally shifting the economics of warfare. This unprecedented speed produced striking tactical results, but fundamentally altered the nature of command. When the human review window shrinks to mere minutes, genuine accountability evaporates. Operators are reduced to simply rubber-stamping the machine's decisions. Compounding the chaos, the battle space was flooded with AI-generated deepfakes and manipulated footage, making real-time human assessment nearly impossible. The terrifying reality of algorithmic warfare is not just that it is fast, but that it leaves the human mind entirely behind. In just days, this conflict demonstrated that AI is no longer just a supporting tool in military strategy. It is redefining the tempo, the scale, and the human role in warfare. We are entering the next era of strategy where algorithmic superiority may decide future conflicts as much as traditional military power. The full consequences are still unfolding, but one fact is already clear: the speed of war has permanently changed.